Hey guys, what's happening? It's Eric Backer, naturopath from New Zealand and author of Candida Crusher. I've got a whole list of FAQs here from various patients from around the world, and I'm going to answer these questions. A lot of these relate to male yeast infection. How do I know I suffer from a male yeast infection? Well, the signs and symptoms will usually give you an indication if you're suffering from a male yeast infection. So signs basically are objective. We can see the signs. A doctor can measure the signs. So this can be obtained through a skin scraping, for example, or you can see a visible red rash, or sort of a bronze patch there around the inner thigh or the scrotal region. These are signs of a male yeast infection. Symptoms are more subjective, what you're feeling. So, you can't really see symptoms, you can feel symptoms. So symptoms usually include things like burning, itching, or redness. So these are some of the key things you're looking for. Discomfort, in the male area. So look for the signs and symptoms. Other things you may want to look for would be craving sweet foods, for example. A strong craving for sweet foods. A lot of perspiration could be an indication you could be heading towards that way. If you're in coveralls a lot, if you're not good on hygiene, you're not showering a lot, these things you contribute to it. So that's how you'll know if you're living a lifestyle where you're perspiring a lot, eating a lot of sugar, drinking a lot of beer, doing all the things that can contribute to a yeast infection, you're more likely to suffer from one. So how you will know if you've got one really are the signs and symptoms. Check out my male channel, my male playlist actually on the Candida Crusher YouTube channel. That will give you lots of different videos to look at which will explain more about male yeast infection. So I hope that's answered your question. Thanks for tuning in.